Hello everyone, welcome back to Ekada's Vaishnava kitchen. Today we're making Ekadashi dosa. First we'll take half cup of tapioca pearls and 1 cup of sawa rice, and we'll soak them in water for either at least 4 hours or overnight even. After soaking, drain all the water out and grind with half cup of white yogurt. After grinding, we're going to pour our mixture into a bowl. Then we're going to add salt according to taste and stir. The batter should be a flowing consistency, and if required, we can add more water. Now we're going to keep this batter to the side and start making our potato filling. We start by putting 2 teaspoons of ghee or oil on a heated pan. Half teaspoon cumin. Half teaspoon chopped green chilies. A half teaspoon chopped ginger. And then stir. Add 1/4 cup finely shredded cabbage and then mix. Add 1/4 cup of grated carrot. One-half teaspoon salt or to taste, and stir, and then leave it on the heat for 2 to 3 minutes. After letting it cook for 2 to 3 minutes, uncover and stir what's inside, and then add 1 cup of boiled mashed potatoes, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, and half teaspoon of salt. Mix well and then add 2 tablespoons of roasted peanuts, which is optional. Finally, add about 1/4 cup of boiled water and finish off with some garnish. Now we're going to make the tomato chutney, and we're going to start by taking a pan and putting about 4 teaspoons of oil. Then we let the pan heat and put a half teaspoon cumin, some ginger, green chilies, and red chilies. And then we mix that together while the oil is heating. Then we chop up 4 small tomatoes and add that, and 1 teaspoon of salt or to taste. Cook until the tomatoes are soft and then let it cool down. Then put it in the blender and give 1 or 2 bursts. Then add about 1/4 cup of roasted peanuts and blend until the mixture is smooth. This is how your chutney should look like, and as always, garnish it with some fresh coriander. Now we're going to gonna start making the dosa, but before we start, heat the griddle and then take a ladle full of the mixture that we made and spread it around like this. Put some oil and then just wait until the dosa is brown from the bottom. After the bottom side is sufficiently brown, flip the dosa and let the other side cook. Fold in any way you want and serve it with potato filling and the chutney we made. Now your crispy dosa is ready. In my dish, I also added a side of paneer, but that's a recipe for another video. If you liked the video, make sure to like and subscribe and comment below what you want us to make next.